Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. As you know, Canva Create is just finished. Canva dropping some really cool updates in their event. So let's explore into the world of design right inside the Canva. No, new Canva. So guys, as you can see here, we are on our laptop screen. So when you click on this magic icon 7 times, it will redirect you to early access of the Canva Create Canva Glow Beta. So I'm just clicking this on this 7 times. So it will allow me to open the door of Canva's new editor, new UI, and everything is new, the new Canva. So just click on it 7 times. Here we have our new Canva's design editor. So you can download this and also share it on social media platform. You are the part of Canva early access program. So just close this, and here you will have our new Canva, and something amazing everything is got changed. As you can see, this icon got changed, and we have amazing cool sidebar over here, and all the icons project and also got changed. So this is called the new Canva. So as you can see into the sidebar, we have amazing cool section over here which allows you to be more productive designer as we have. So just click on this and create your section like this, and I am choosing my current mood over here, so like this. And you can also drag and drop into any design you like. Suppose if you are using any particular presentation deck recurring way, so you can ping over here, and you can also use it in a different way, and also share this section without all over the team. So if you update the announcement or something like that, you can definitely change into this, so everyone got upgraded about this, so they can also check them. So we have the more productivity to organize our thing right inside the Canva and be more productive designer with the help of this sidebar. You can do amazing cool stuff, organize our work and everything inside the Canva as well. So let's go to this project folder, and here we have something new upgraded. Like if you are new, just click on this add new, and here we have the courses which allows you to create courses right inside the Canva and share across your teams. So if you are a HR or anyone when working professional, you can create courses right inside the Canva and share it along with your teams. So just click on this course icon over here and create your new courses. Like I'm just giving a test courses. Here you can add your teams, any design of Canva design, so they will get upgraded, and you can assign the courses on a particular person. If you are new joiner or anyone who join your team newly, you can assign the courses and get upgraded about the latest announcement inside your team. So just go into this template tab, and here we have our new work list. Canva's Create 2024 is dedicated to the enterprise, so they will more work for the enterprise. Like we have the work kit, so if you are a working professional, do check it out this section. If you are belong to the marketing, sales, human resource, any creative team, so if you are, suppose you are working in a creative team, just click on over here and you will get amazing pre-made templates which allows you to be more productive as a creative professional. You will get directly made invoices, deck, pitching deck, and everything document to organize your design projects, which allows you to be more productive and all the things organized in a way. So I'm also using this is really amazing. So if you are belong to any other team like sales, marketing and human resource, you can do check it out. It will make your work more smoother and easy to use. So let's explore Canva's new design editor right now. So here we have some photo editing updates. So when you upload, click on this upload button over here and choose your image over here and upload into the Canva. I am choosing this AI image over here. So now everything is got upgraded. All the Magic Studio apps is got upgraded. So let me show you how you can use it into your work. Suppose just click on this edit button over here. We have this Magic Studio like Magic Grab, Magic Eraser. So let's choose this Magic Eraser. Previously we have only the brush, but now we have this click. It will automatically analyze the main object of your image. So just click on this car. It will automatically allow me to grab this car without distorting my backgrounds. So this is the magic of Canva's AI. So you can directly use this car and move it to the different location, and it allows you to easily add text into your design like this. So no more interruption in your creativity. So let's take another image like this. I'm using image from like this, which looks good, the boy. And now I'm going to this edit image again, and you can easily create mockup inside the design editor. So previously we don't have the video and mockups, but now we have amazing video mockups which allows you to create videos right inside the Canva. So you can choose any one of them. Like I'm choosing this one looks good. So just fit your image according to the size which you want, or just click on this fill, so it will fill entirely the object. And you can also preview here and just click on this apply changes. It will automatically update your changes over here. So as you can see, it is under processing. So when the processing is complete, your image is inserted into this video, which allows you to create videos mockup inside the Canva. So you can do something amazing, your product suit and anything you like right inside this laptop. Amazing. This is crazy, man. So let's choose another image and explore some other features of Canva. Like this image looks good. Just click on this edit, and here we have the magic blend. So I'm looking for two images like this one. This is the videos. I'm this one. So let's blend two images and select this one. Click on this edit and go to the magic blend. This is the new magic blend available we have. So just select two images. It's click on this magic blend, and now it will automatically blend two images with the help of AI. So this is also crazy app, is upgraded to Canvas. We have great shadow and alignment. It will easily blend with the help of AI. So I'm choosing this one. This looks good. And you can also play around the sizes and everything and to the meaningful object, because I'm picking the random images, that's why it's not good enough. But when you are doing with the meaningful images, like two images which is looks amazing, going to be blend, so then in this case it looks good. So these are the amazing photo editing crazy updates we have, and also can edit some filters as well, which allows you to be more visible. So check out all the filters that Canva is allowing you to, and the photo editing apps as well. So let's explore some video editing apps which allows you to create outstanding videos inside the Canva. Now here we have some video editing updates as well. So first, just upload any video if you want in your case, but I am choosing an video from Elements library and just make it like bigger like this, and click on this edit. Here you will get highlights, background remover, but highlights is the new. So just click on this highlights. It will analyze your videos and pick the key moments in your entire video. So in this video we have the three, so you can just select one by one or which one you like. So I'm selecting all the three and just click. It will split into different pages like this, so you can easily edit your videos like a pro with the help of this Canva highlights. This is cool and amazing feature, you will definitely try. By adding filters across, like I will apply it to here, and now you can see in the couple of seconds we cut down the best portion of the video by using magic highlights. So you can also definitely check out this feature. We have some cool upgrade in Canva docs as well, so let's explore one by one. So I'm using one of Canva docs template. It allows you to be more productive working professional. So suppose I want to use this magic write, which allows me to continue writing, sort another statement. So, and you can also change the text as according to your brand voice. So you can also fixing the error. It's a more. So I'm just click on this continue writing, and it's expand my text like this, as you can see over here. So whenever you want to expand the texts or shorten and want the summary of it, you can use this magic write. And we have some more, like just click on this h1, it's convert to the h1 heading, but now we don't need it, so it's look good. And you can also change this editing mode to the suggestion mode, which I'll suggest all the possible ways to edit the docs like a pro inside your organization. And someone will definitely ask you, where do you create this? Because you are using Canva suggestion for editing a doc like a professional. So do check it out, this suggestion. So if you are beginner, so just enable this and keep editing inside the Canva. This allow you to be more pro in this. So do check it out, these amazing. And now you can also add the columns, which is looks make the next level look to your designs. Like you can also insert images inside this column and give a amazing look according to your brand. Like these are the column we have, but the most important thing, we have this cool highlights blocker, which allows you to be more bold about particular statement. Like I'm just inserting and announce something by using this. So you can directly use these kind of highlights, which makes your document like next level. So all you can see here, we have some suggestion. You just click on this suggestion, it automatically changes according to that. Like add a body text, just click on this suggestion, it will change the layout. It will automatically, just click on it, it will automatically edit your docs according to the best way possible. So do check it out, all the docs feature as well, which Canva is upgraded. Let's create an amazing design project right inside the Canva with our new Canva design editor. So I'm choosing an Instagram story like this, and this is all about our editor looks like. As I have previously told you, like I'm searching for a model like this and pick an image. This one looks good, so I'm just expanding it like this. Now I am looking for a pattern, which kind of overlay of this image. So you can explore this pattern, we have cool patterns over here. So I'm choosing this one and expand like this, and also change this color to white to decrease this opacity, just blend with the image. And now we have to add text. So I'm using a pre-made text template like this one and place it over here. Also change the color to white to more contrasting, and also add some lift effect, which lift my text and be more visible. Oh, I will change 5 tips for model like skin, and just adjust my text like this, make it smaller, and like it's looking good. Now place it over here, but something is missing. Like I need to change the color to red. I use color picker to change the exact color to this one, and also make the text to italic. Now it looks, but I have to use some vignette. Yeah, this allows me to add the blackish corner, which gives me in-depth look into my design like this. So as you can see, we have created this design in just 2 minutes right inside the Canva, because Canva is allow you to be more productive in this new design editor. So do check it out. this amazing crazy update which Canva is rolled out this year. So these are the upgrade Canva rolled out this year, so do check it out. And if you are watching this video till then give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel, because a lot of content is coming to this year. So do check it out, all the videos is available. And if you want to level up your poster design skill, then check it out this video. So till then, take care of yourself, tata and bye bye. See you into this next amazing video. Signing off, Shubham.